back to my YouTube channel, MCA Vlogs. So guys, if you are new here, welcome to you. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for more updated videos, just click the bell para updated kayo sa aking mga other vlogs. Okay guys, our vlog today is all about my new makeup. So guys, I'm so excited to show you my new makeup this 2021 because this is my dream. So thank you Tita for giving me my new makeup. So shout out Tita Pe and Tito Charlie from Hawaii. Shout out. Okay, so guys, my new makeup is so I'm gonna show you. This is my contour. That's it. Okay, so this is a contour Paris Hilton. Oh my gosh, this is, I want it. I love this Paris Hilton. So this is, okay, I'm gonna show you. Tanan! So, ayan, meron siyang mga may mga light brown, dark brown, then dark brown. Tsaka meron siyang mga blush na light brown, dark brown, and pink. So, this is a Paris Hilton contour collection. I love it. Okay, this is $7.99. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so next I have a new but used, but I really like it. This is a brow palette, and this is also a Paris Hilton brow palette. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay, so there are 3 colors: white for shading the brows, and the brown and dark brown. Paris Hilton brow palette. Okay, so next, I love this. This is voluminous. Okay, voluminous original. Napupulol ako. So this is a L'Oreal Paris. Oh my gosh, see, amazing. So I'm gonna open it. Oh my gosh, super matte. So this is the mascara L'Oreal Paris. Okay, so next I have a moisture smooth color stick, and this is a Neutrogena. Okay, I have another. Okay, my favorite, Revlon. Ayan. Revlon matte balm. Ayan siya. This is a Revlon matte balm. Super, I like it. Diba, pag meron ka mga ganitong mga branded na makeup, nakakayaman, girl. Ayan. So, I have the Maybelline New York. This is a vivid matte liquid. Okay, this is number 40. Maybelline. Okay, I have the lip gloss. This is Daisy Puentes lip gloss. Okay. And this is, I really love it. I really love it. This is Beauty Moment Glossy. This is Jackie and Lauren. I love it. Jackie and Lauren lip gloss. And this is a glossy. Pink and dark pink. I love it. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the button for more updated videos. At syempre, abangan nyo po ang aking pinaka-bongga at pinaka-new na makeup for this 2021. At gagamitin ko po ang aking mga new makeup. My branded makeup. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye!